हेलो सांगमाने चलो आज जानिबा शुड अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को जानिबा। चलतु डेरी न करी भिडियोटी को स्टार्ट करिबा। आम भिडियोटी प्रथम थर देखुतिले चैनलटी को सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु। प्रथमे जानिबा अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस मु एही काम करिबा उचित। आई शुड डू दिस वर्क। आई शुड डू दिस वर्क। आमे इंग्राजी शिखिबा उचित। We should learn English. We should learn English. मु चेष्टा करिबा उचित। I should try. I should try. तुमे सेटाकू जिबा उचित थिला। You should have gone there. You should have gone there. तुमे कॉलेज जिबा उचित। You should go to college. You should go to college. तुमे इंग्राजी सिखाइबा उचित। You should teach English. You should teach English. से सेटाकू जिबा उचित। He should go there. He should go there. तुमे पढ़िबा उचित। You should study. You should study. तुमे खुशी रहिबा उचित। You should stay happy. You should stay happy. तुमे आसिबा उचित। You should come. You should come. तुमे भाविबा उचित। You should think. You should think. तुमे मो सहित आसिबा उचित। You should come with me. You should come with me. तुमर ज्ञान रहिबा उचित। You should have knowledge. You should have knowledge. मु एहा करिबा उचित। I should do this. I should do this. तांको पाखरे टंका रहिबा उचित। He should have money. He should have money. नेक्स्ट जानिबा इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस तुमे सेटाकू जिबा उचित की। Should you go there? Should you go there? तुमे एही काम करिबा उचित की। Should you do this work? Should you do this work? तुमे एहा विषय रे भाइबा उचित की। Should you think about this? Should you think about this? तुमर ज्ञान थिबा उचित की। Should you have knowledge? Should you have knowledge? तुमे भाइबा उचित की। Should you think? Should you think? मु कबाट खोलिबा उचित की। Should I open the door? Should I open the door? से मते पसंद करिबा उचित की। Should he likes me? Should he likes me? से माने आमको साहाय्य करिबा उचित की। Should they help us? Should they help us? मु सत कहिबा उचित की। Should I tell the truth? Should I tell the truth? तुमे तुम बापा मां को फोन करिबा उचित की। Should you call your parents? Should you call your parents? तुमे शीघ्र आसिबा उचित की। Should you come early? Should you come early? तुमे एकाठी पढ़िबा उचित की। Should you study together? Should you study together? मु एबे जिबा उचित की। Should I go now? Should I go now? से भल भावरे शिक्षा देबा उचित। Should he teaches well? Should he teaches well? मु एही फोन किनिबा उचित की। Should I buy this phone? Should I buy this phone? से क्षमा मांगिबा उचित की। Should he apologize? Should he apologize? should रो इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस जानिले नेक्स्ट जानिबा नेगेटिव सेंटेंस मु जीवाकू प्रस्तुत हेबा उचित नुहे। I should not ready to go. I should not ready to go. आमे समय नष्ट करिबा उचित नुहे। We should not waste time. We should not waste time. तुमे भाइबा उचित नुहे। You should not think. You should not think. तुमे एही काम करिबा उचित नुहे। You should not do this work. You should not do this work. से एटाकू आसिबा उचित नुहे। He should not come here. He should not come here. मु सेटाकू जिबा उचित नुहे। I should not go there. I should not go there. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ରହିବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ. I should not stay with you. I should not stay with you. ତୁମେ ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ. You should not think about this. You should not think about this. ତୁମେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ପାଇବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ. ଏହି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କମେଣ୍ଟରେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ.